Hi, my name is Gary Kenny, Customer Success Manager at Link3D, and today we'll talk about the first thing to look for in any manufacturing execution system: the ability to define operations and detailed sequencing. Once parts are printed, the production journey varies from part to part, especially for industrial 3D printing. A part may need post-processing steps such as sanding and bead blasting to improve quality, ensuring it meets design specifications, or finishing steps such as heat treatment and shot peening to enhance the part's surface characteristics, mechanical properties, and aesthetics, and various inspection steps to ensure the overall quality is within tolerances. An MES solution for additive manufacturing should be flexible enough to track each step required for every part in an order's production cycle. An added bonus would be an MES solution that includes a built-in yield management with quality assurance checks at each stage to ensure the proper requirements are met and accounted for.